Hi, my name is Elizabeth Longstreet. I'm the Research Laboratory Manager for the seagrass greenhouse we have here at Mote Marine Laboratory in Sarasota, Florida. Last year, the state of Florida gave Mote the opportunity to look at genetically resilient seagrass strains around the state of Florida to improve our ecosystems. Seagrass die-offs are a huge problem in the state of Florida, so we're looking at the three main species of seagrass: Syringodium radii, haliduli, and tillandsia. We collect seagrass from all around the state and have multiple partners from Florida and around the U.S. to collect those seagrass and then stress them out with temperature, salinity, and other environmental factors to find the most resilient strains. Then we can do DNA analysis on that and collect those strains for then giving those strains to practice managers who can restore seagrasses and grow them up in their facilities. The greenhouse is essential for this type of research because seagrass needs the sun to photosynthesize. So if we had it indoors, the seagrass wouldn't survive very well with artificial light. So being able to have an enclosed environment that can protect the research from weather events like rain and hurricanes, but while also allowing the seagrass to have sun to photosynthesize.